Welcome to our video today, Mastering Spanish Pronunciation Tips and Tricks. Bienvenidos! Are you ready to take your Spanish pronunciation to the next level? While learning vocabulary and grammar are important, mastering pronunciation is key to sounding confident and natural. In this video, we will provide you with essential tips and tricks to help you improve and ultimately master your Spanish. So let's dive in and unlock the secrets to sounding like a native Spanish speaker and become a Spanish pro. Numero uno, number one on our list. Learn the Spanish alphabet. The Spanish alphabet contains 27 letters, which include the familiar 26 letters of the English alphabet, plus the letter ñ. Familiarize yourself with the pronunciation of each letter to lay a strong foundation for accurate pronunciation. Alright, numero dos, number two on our list. Pay attention to the vowel sounds. Spanish has 5 vowel sounds: a, e, o, and u. A, e, I, o, and u. Unlike English, Spanish vowels have consistent sounds. It's always a, e, o, and u. Practice pronouncing each vowel sound distinctly and avoid blending them together. Numero tres. Number 3. Master the rolling R. The distinctive rolled R sound is one of the most recognizable features of Spanish. To produce this sound, place the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth in the area just behind your upper teeth and create a rapid vibration by exhaling and vibrating the tongue. It sounds like this. Rrr. It takes practice. Be patient with yourself and keep working at it. Some people, it requires more than others. Practice this sound with words like perro, dog, and rojo, red. Numero cuatro, number 4. Understand consonant pronunciation. Pay attention to consonant sounds that differ. For example, the letter J is pronounced like the CH in the Scottish word loch, almost like an English K from deep back in the throat. It comes from the throat and can be practiced with words like jugo or juego. Practice the pronunciation of challenging consonants like L, ñ, and C before E and I to ensure clarity in your speech. C before an E or I sounds similar to an S, such as the word conocer, to know in Spanish. Numero 5, number 5. Syllables. In Spanish, the stress typically falls on the second to last syllable. However, there are exceptions, so it's important to learn the stress patterns of different words. Pay attention to accent marks, tildes, in written Spanish as they indicate where the stress falls. Numero 6, number 6. Listen, incorporate, and repeat. Try to immerse yourself in Spanish by listening to native speakers, watch Spanish movies, listen to Spanish music, and practice repeating what you hear. This will help you familiarize yourself with the natural rhythm and intonation of the language. Numero 7. Use pronunciation resources. Utilize online resources such as pronunciation guides, audio recordings, and language learning apps that offer interactive pronunciation exercises. These tools can provide valuable feedback and help you refine your pronunciation skills. Numero 8. Record yourself. Recording yourself speaking Spanish allows you to identify areas where you may need improvement. Listen to your recordings and compare them with native speakers to identify any differences and make necessary adjustments. We're at numero 9, number 9. Practice with native speakers. Engaging in conversations with native Spanish speakers is an excellent way to refine your pronunciation. They can provide guidance, correct your mistakes, and offer valuable insights into the nuances of the language. This can be a hurdle for some people in remote areas. However, with the internet, there are countless resources available. Check our link in the description for a community of people to help with this engagement. We have reached numero 10, number 10. Be patient and be persistent. Remember, mastering pronunciation takes time and practice. Don't get discouraged by initial challenges. Embrace each step of the learning process and celebrate your progress along the way. Everything in life we have of any real value requires time, effort, commitment, and dedication. Stay with the lessons, and you'll be amazed at your progress in a few weeks, let alone a year or even more. By implementing these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to mastering Spanish pronunciation. Remember, practice is key. Set daily goals and time aside to learn more vocabulary and grammar. The more you engage with the language and incorporate it into daily life, the more confident and natural you will sound. Practice using the words as often as absolutely possible in your daily life and routine. Speak Spanish to yourself for objects around you, things you touch or look at, and interactions you have with other people in daily life. Embrace the beauty of the Spanish language, and soon enough you'll be speaking like a native. That's all for this video. Buena suerte, good luck, and remember, hit the like button, leave a comment, and come back for the next one.